आज आज NIS D.El.Ed का मामला सुप्रीम कोर्ट में उठा। पहले आप लोग हेयरिंग देखिए, उसके बाद सारी बातों पर मैं चर्चा करता हूँ।
Notification that allowed us to participate. So board cannot take any kind of a dichotomous stance.
Who are you?
I'm just clarifying. I'm not a petitioner, Mr. Patwala said.
We filed an application for.
I'll just explain why I'm here. Also.
Filed an application.
I filed two applications. It's IA 63429 of 24.
Yes, for implement.
Yes, and IA 174350 of 2024.
174350
of 2024. In the first one, there are 464 of us. In the second, there are 60 of us. Together, 524. We are not. I just want to clarify.
Who are you?
I'm explaining. Just take half a minute.
Take.
I'm not those NIOS candidates. That's perhaps somebody separate. That's a separate issue. That shouldn't be here. Who we are is, I am the D.El.Ed qualified candidates who had qualified it prior to the advertisement. Therefore, not like Mr. Patwalia's and Ms. Arora's clients.
Who applied prior to?
No, who had fully got our D.El.Ed well in advance of the advertisement, got our TET qualification, we were fully eligible. Now, because of the first order of your lordship, which said no merit list would be issued, which came in July, subsequently in January, and I'm saying because your lordship are taking this for final hearing, I'm not reading it out, but please do take a look at the affidavit that was filed by the board in compliance to the 22nd January 24 order. That has all the data, all the statistics, etc. And that's the reason I'm here.
22nd January.
22nd January. That has all the data. It will explain what the numbers are, how many applied, etc. Broadly, there are some 11,000 odd posts, 14,000 odd people applied. A few of them are held to be not qualified. They are eligible but not qualified. Some of them are held to be not eligible, which includes Mr. Patwalia and Ms. Arora's and Mr. Rahim's clients. They are obviously saying that they are eligible. Now, I am here only for this reason, that after this affidavit was filed in the Supreme Court, your lordships by this 29th January, and they annexed with them the list of those who had qualified. In that list of 9,000 odd, 9533, which is the number recorded in the 29th January order, I am not part of that 9533, even though I was fully eligible. Now, we don't know the qualifying marks at all. I didn't have an avenue to challenge this elsewhere because the merit list is frozen and being tweaked only by this court. Therefore, in March, I filed my application here, saying, please just ask the board to divulge what the marks are of the qualifying so that I can know why I have been shut out and allow me to be permitted to contest that issue if it is made transparent. Right now, nothing is available with us. We know 9533 is the list that they have drawn up. Now,
that is a separate policy.
I'll just clarify. I'm not locking horns with them. Whatever they succeed, they succeed. But as far as I'm concerned, because the rule 8 is the relevant rule, rule 8 doesn't provide for any cutoff marks. So I'm not clear how there has been an exclusion once I have the D.El.Ed and the TET qualifications, and you have got a paltry number of applicants, in any case 14,000 odd against 11,000 posts. It's unclear on what basis my exclusion has happened. Therefore, as far as I'm concerned,
did you ever go to any court about this?
I came directly here. I came in March because I had no knowledge of the numbers until the last week. I did. I'm admitting. I'm just telling you why I'm.
This is not the way to challenge me.
This is not the way to interrupt me. No, please let me complete. Last week of January, I get to know because of the affidavit they have filed here. They don't let us know there. They file it here. So my plea is only this, fellows.
Okay.
Because Mr. Patwalia has made a without prejudice submission as well, that those vacancies, that 2,000 odd which remains, they can fully fill those up. My concern is there. That's why I'm treading on their toes a little bit. That just I'm just want to make my plea. Therefore, either my issue has to be considered somewhere. So if your lordships feel that it should not be considered here because you're dealing with a prior issue, that those vacancies should be held until my plea is heard either by this court or by any other court. That liberty I want to reserve because
the process was gone through in March.
They should have,
2024.
this is something they should have divulged
This is
about the basis on which I was called for the interview. I took part in the interview.
Okay.
Suddenly you say there are cut-off marks and I'm
Consider your case.
So we need to see consider. I'm grateful.
No, my lord.
Okay,
There was
okay.
one submission.
My learned friends, matter is being considered. Your lordship has sent it back to court too.
It's part of the
So
same.
your lordship will not be able to deal with all facts.
We are excluding.
Because we are part of the same notification.
Maybe
It doesn't have.
Maybe.
And our problem was the equivalence of 18 months to
All right.
years, and that has been referred to by report number 2 by my lords.
Okay.
Therefore, we only need to be protected. Some seats to be kept vacant for
Thank
us. So tomorrow, if we get an order in our favor, we should have some remedy.
All right.
That's the-
Consider your case.
If you are
Yes.
right.
My lord, our stand is this. We had put it in the advertisement. Just see the advertisement which had come. That is to be seen, my lord, in page 7 of the
Lord, I have
order.
an urgent passover in the next court. I'll just do it and come. One, great.
My lord, page 7 is the clause which was found to be objectionable by the division bench.
Yes.
Please see that clause, which is a
You have
clause.
seen your affidavit also, Mr.
Yes, yes. My lord, we had taken a stand.
We are in consonance
Yes.
with the stand taken by you with respect.
उम्मीद है आप लोगों ने हेयरिंग देखा, जिसमें आज नियोस डी.एल.एड के तरफ से गोपाल शंकर नारायण सर उतरे थे, जिन्होंने 2-3 इम्पॉर्टेंट पॉइंट कोर्ट में रखा। पहला कि नियोस को किस बेसिस पे बात किया गया वो उनको जानकारी नहीं है, और नियोस डी.एल.एड को एक नॉर्मल डी.एल.एड के जैसा ही उन्होंने जो है सुप्रीम कोर्ट में बताया। इसके पहले कई सारे हेयरिंग हुए जिसमें नियोस डी.एल.एड को 18 मंथ का कोर्स बताया जा रहा था, लेकिन आज उनके द्वारा नियोस डी.एल.एड को एक नॉर्मल डी.एल.एड बताया गया। प्लस ये भी क्वेश्चन पूछा गया कि नियोस डी.एल.एड को क्यों बाहर किया गया है, क्या बेसिस था, इसका जानकारी भी जो है उन्हें मतलब नियोस डी.एल.एड कैंडिडेट को नहीं है। कई सारे पॉइंट को उन्होंने रखा कि किस तरह से ये डिग्री पूरी तरीक़ा से वैलिड है, किस तरह से जो लोग नियोस से डी.एल.एड किए वो लोग टेट क्वालिफाई थे, पूरी तरीक़ा से ट्रेन थे, उसके बावजूद भी उनको बाहर किया गया। हालांकि उन्होंने नियोस शब्द का कहीं भी यूज़ नहीं किया, एक नॉर्मल डी.एल.एड के जैसे ही नियोस डी.एल.एड को वहाँ पर जो है रिप्रेजेंट किया। और दूसरा इम्पॉर्टेंट बात ये था कि अगर आप लोगों ने इसका पहले भी कई सारे हेयरिंग हुआ, क्योंकि ये 2022 का मामला है, उसमें जो सर्विस रूल का बार बार जिक्र किया जा रहा था वेस्ट बंगाल का, वहाँ एनसीटी के द्वारा जो है मिनिमम क्वालिफ़िकेशन का बार बार जो है जिक्र किया जा रहा था, ना कि 2 साल का डी.एल.एड का। तो ये काफ़ी इम्पॉर्टेंट पॉइंट है नियोस डी.एल.एड का, खास करके वेस्ट बंगाल में। मैंने पहले भी आप लोगों को बताया था कि वेस्ट बंगाल में 2 साल का जो है डी.एल.एड होना अनिवार्य नहीं है। एनसीटी के द्वारा कोई भी रिकॉग्नाइज डिग्री अगर आपके पास है, डिग्री मतलब डी.एल.एड किया हुआ है, तो आप जो है वेस्ट बंगाल में पूरी तरीक़ा से एलिजिबल है टीचर बनने के लिए, जो कि बार बार इस केस में जिक्र किया गया मिनिमम क्वालिफ़िकेशन का, कहीं भी जो है आपका 2 साल का जिक्र नहीं किया गया। फिलहाल जो है इस केस का और जो ऑर्डर है वो मुझे जहाँ तक जानकारी मिली उसको रिजर्व करके रखा गया है। अब नियोस डी.एल.एड कैंडिडेट को उसमें कंसीडर किया गया है या नहीं किया गया है, यह ऑर्डर आने के बाद ही हमें जो है जानकारी मिलेगा। देर रात तक या बहुत ज़्यादा पॉसिबिलिटी होगा कल तक जो है इस केस का ऑर्डर कॉपी जब आ जाएगा तो इसमें नियोस डी.एल.एड के कैंडिडेट को कंसीडर किया गया है या नहीं किया गया है, ये तो ऑर्डर कॉपी आने के बाद ही पता चलेगा। जैसे ही ऑर्डर कॉपी आएगा उसका भी मैं जानकारी आप लोगों को दे दूंगा। इसके अलावा कल मेन केस जो है नियोस डी.एल.एड का सुप्रीम कोर्ट में लिस्टेड है 4 तारीख को, जिसका हेयरिंग भी मैं आप लोगों के साथ शेयर कर दूंगा। हेयरिंग में क्या निकल के आया उसका भी जानकारी मैं आप लोगों को देने का कोशिश करूंगा। चैनल पर अगर आप लोग नए हैं तो चैनल के साथ बने रहें। थैंक यू।